Life in a place where roads turn into rivers is not something most people can imagine, yet for millions of people around the world, this is daily reality. In these regions, heavy rainfall, melting snow, or rising water levels completely transform streets into flowing waterways, forcing residents to adapt to a life shaped by water instead of asphalt. During the rainy season, what was once a busy road filled with cars becomes a moving river, carrying boats, floating markets, and sometimes even homes. Children no longer walk to school, instead, they paddle through flooded paths, learning balance and survival at an early age. Here, boats replace vehicles, and rowing becomes as normal as driving is in modern cities. This lifestyle teaches people patience, resilience, and a deep respect for nature's power. In these flood-prone areas, daily routines change completely. Shops are built higher, houses stand on wooden or concrete stilts, and furniture is designed to survive water exposure. People plan their days around water levels, not traffic signals. When floods arrive, neighbors help one another by sharing food, boats, and safe shelter. Strong community bonds grow because survival depends on cooperation. While outsiders see chaos, locals see a natural cycle, something that comes and goes every year. The sound of flowing water replaces honking horns, and life slows down in a strange but peaceful rhythm. However, life where roads turn into rivers is not always calm. Floodwaters can bring danger and uncertainty. Crops are destroyed, clean drinking water becomes scarce, and diseases spread easily. Families often lose belongings they worked years to earn. Children and elderly people face higher risks, and emergency services struggle to reach flooded areas. Despite this, people continue rebuilding, showing extraordinary human strength. Each year, they repair homes, clean streets, and prepare again, knowing the rivers will return. This constant rebuilding creates a mindset of acceptance and adaptability, something modern urban life often lacks. In some places, these watery roads create unique cultures. Floating markets thrive, where sellers trade fruits, vegetables, and handmade goods from small boats. Schools operate on water, with classrooms accessible only by canoe. Even religious ceremonies adapt, taking place near rivers or on raised platforms. Tourism sometimes grows in these regions, as visitors are fascinated by a life so different from their own. Yet locals do not see their lifestyle as entertainment, it is simply how life works. Climate change is making this way of life even more challenging. Rising sea levels and extreme weather events are causing floods to become more frequent and more intense. Areas that once flooded once a year now remain underwater for months. This threatens food security, education, and long-term safety. Still, communities innovate by using floating houses, solar-powered boats, and flood-resistant crops. Their creativity proves that humans can adapt even in the harshest conditions. Living where roads turn into rivers teaches a powerful lesson. Humans do not control nature, they learn to live with it. In modern cities, we build walls and drains to fight water, but in these regions, people embrace it. They design their lives around natural forces instead of resisting them. This balance between survival and respect creates a deep understanding of the environment. It reminds us that progress does not always mean concrete and steel, sometimes, progress means harmony with nature. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges, these communities may hold the key to future survival. Their lives show us that flexibility, cooperation, and respect for nature are more valuable than comfort and speed. While their roads may turn into rivers, their spirit remains unshaken. In a world obsessed with control, they teach us the beauty of adaptation, resilience, and coexistence.